I started off making the bonnet and the front wings, which are all one piece of sheet metal, bent over and hammered over a metal pipe into shape. I then used the bead roller to put in the lines along its length and around the wheel arches. Then onto the doors, cut to shape, and again I used the bead roller to add the lines along its length, top and bottom. Then onto the rear quarters, which I bent over an old screwdriver to make the fins, and again used the bead roller for around the wheel arches and along its length. For the rear lights, I used a couple of old screwdrivers cut and stuck into place. I was happy with the first roof I made until I noticed I had missed out the raised part of either side, so I had to start again. Into the interior, we have some old headboard lining to make the flooring and door panels covering, as well as the dashboard with some bolts to make the dials and steering wheel. And onto the front with mesh front grille and coach bolts for the lights and old screwdrivers welded together to make the bumpers. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. If you'd like to see more detailed videos of how the Vitesse was made, please see my other videos. If you like this one, please hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.